Barbecue chicken consists of chicken parts or entire chickens that are barbecued, grilled or smoked. There are many global and regional preparation techniques and cooking styles. Barbecue chicken is often seasoned or coated in a spice rub, barbecue sauce, or both. Hey guys, welcome to Foodies Few. Today we are going to share a delicious recipe for barbecue chicken. We took 12 pieces of chicken legs for this recipe. As part of ingredients, we are going to use tomatoes paste 2 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons ginger and garlic mixed paste, cumin powder roasted 2 tablespoons, coriander powder 2 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons chili powder, Garam masala powder 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons salt, orange jelly 3 tablespoons, (5 to 6 tablespoons yogurt, tomatoes and chili sauce, half cup of mustard oil, soy sauce, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, (1 tablespoon black pepper, Now, time to mix all ingredients with our cleaned chicken legs. Make a few stripes on chicken legs with a knife so that all the ingredients can be mixed and go inside the meat. After marinating the chicken with masala, let's keep it in the normal fridge for more than 2 hours. For us, we kept the marinated chicken legs for around 15 hours. Usually, for better taste, you need to keep the meat marinated for more time. For example, mix at night and in the morning enjoy the barbecue. Finally, let's enjoy the barbecue party.
This is the issue. Some people think that he's thinking himself the same thing.
Don't forget to brush oil while making the grill.